Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the only supported path, the Notebook's accelerator. Open Settings, pick GPU, and save. This requests a Tesla-class GPU for your instance. Once done, restart the kernel if Kaggle prompts you. That ensures the hardware is attached. You do not need to install drivers manually because the environment already includes them. Make sure to watch the session time limit and available GPU quota so you don't hit resource limits mid-job. Now verify that the GPU is visible. Run NVIDIA CUDA to see the device, memory, and driver. Then in Python, check torch. CUDA is available or TensorFlow. Test, is GPU available, to confirm framework access. If a mismatch occurs, install the framework build that matches the session CUDA version. For example, pip install torch with the appropriate CUDA tag. Once those checks pass, allocate tensors or move models to CUDA. Execute your training or inference with models and data explicitly moved to the GPU using device calls, for example, model. To device and tensor. To device, monitor GPU memory with NVIDIA CUDA and clear caches or reduce batch size if you hit OOM. If the GPU is not present, reopen settings to re-enable accelerator, restart the notebook, and confirm you have remaining GPU quota in your Kaggle account. That single troubleshooting tip, restart after toggling the accelerator, resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.